Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Skross Wireless Audio Adapter and preparing source gear. Plug in power and charge the unit until the LED is solid. This prevents dropouts. Once done, connect the adapter to your speaker using 3.5 or RCA cables, making sure cables are seated tightly so audio grounding stays clean. Make sure your phone or computer has Bluetooth on and visible. You want the adapter in pairing mode before you search from the source device, so pairing is immediate. Now you pair and configure the adapter. Press and hold the pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks fast. This indicates discoverable mode. On your phone or PC, select the Skross BTA device. If asked, accept or enter 0000. Once paired, set the source's audio output to Bluetooth and play a test tone at low volume so you can adjust without blasts. If the adapter supports codecs, choose aptX or AAC for lower latency and better fidelity. Finish by optimizing levels and confirming stability. Increase speaker and adapter gain gradually to avoid clipping. You want headroom for dynamics. If audio drops or you hear lag, forget the Skross entry on your source, reboot both units, then repair to clear cached profiles. Make sure no strong Wi-Fi interference or nearby devices use the same band. If problems persist, check for a firmware update via the Skross app or USB. Updating often resolves codec and connectivity bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.